Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to invite you to a collab challenge that is being put on by Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, and Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse. And what we're doing this month, we have a series running where we're doing a boy doll with a theme, either making something or, like last month was the doll outside or something like that. What we're going to do this month is take Winston, what's his last name? Torres, Winston Torres from Karma's World, and we're making him back to school. Now, whatever that means to you, it could mean just dressing him, making him some books. It could mean buying him a new outfit, getting him ready for school, maybe making him a new pair of shoes, anything you want. That's a cute doll. He's just a cute doll. He doesn't have a lot of articulation, but they're cute. They're cute little, he's a little boy. I mean, you can see that this child is 12 to 14-ish, if that old. What I had done was I went to Chelly Wood's site and I downloaded some boy fashion doll clothing patterns. What I did was I tried to take my computer and make these smaller by 85%, and my computer said to the printer, just do anything you want. Let's see if we can make her mad. Let's say that. And it did. It printed full size. So you can see he needs quite a bit smaller. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board on this, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way where you cut out around it and keep trying it on your doll and taking it down. We hope you'll join us on the 23rd. It's usually on the 25th. This month, it'll be on the 23rd of August at 10 a.m. Central. Again, that's hosted with Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse and Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, and myself. So I hope you'll join us. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.